Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're going to take a look at the Selection Area tool. Now, this is a very valuable asset in Vegas Pro, but sometimes it can become annoying. And I'll show you why. So here you have a clip here of our upcoming video. Just take a cell here. Stop. Okay, so say you're clicking on this. Say you click on this and actually double click and you select the whole video. Just say you want to just render out a small area. Just say you want to render out this area here. Take tips. It actually loops over and over and over again. But you can highlight it and then go to render and render it out. But what happens sometimes during editing is you're doing editing, you do quick, you'll accidentally double click everything, and you have to try and make these smaller, zoom in to close them. There's an easier way to do this, and I'll show you how. Go to Options, Preferences, Editing, right here, Collapse Loop Region when no time selection is present. So click this, apply. Now, anytime you're clicking here, it'll disappear. So go ahead and you can still go ahead and do your editing of that. This is just temporarily turning it off. Ideally, there should be a little button here on the bottom here, turning it on and off. But if you don't use it that much, rendering or using it for a loop, so you can loop the video for audio problems or whatever, if you don't use it that often, keep it set the way I show you. You can still do everything the normal way, but say you want to go back, say you start using that tool. So just go back, Options, Preferences, Editing, and now it'll be the same as it was before. Just wanted to pass along this tip. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.